Alright, not sure how well this will come out, but this is what the monitors look like before. I had the 48CX and the little monitor, and the mount came in, so finally going to replace these. But yeah, this is the last time I will, or you will, or anybody will ever see this setup, because I tried to use this and I cannot do that bleed. When I look at it, yeah, the PPI is sharper than the OLED, but there is absolutely unacceptable levels of IPS glow and bleed, and I can't do it. I can't go back. I even got, like, you know, a bright white light in the background, and people say that compensates. No, this is trash. No, I can't go back to this, and you're lying to yourself. So when that 32-inch monitor with 4,000 zones comes out, maybe next year, maybe I'll grab that. I'll have the sharper PPI for IDEs and code and stuff like that. But no, this is unacceptable. Yeah, I'm selling this. Alright, so I got the monitor off the arm. I got it back on the stand, and you know, obviously gonna pack this up in the box. It goes like that, and then same thing with this one. And there you go, monitor's packed. I recorded it originally it working, took photos for the listing. Now I'm packing up the mount for the VESA arms, and that's pretty much it. I mean, and a DisplayPort cable, you know, for the monitor. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, it's basically packed up now. Yeah, that's it. I mean, you got the HDMI cable. The HDMI. You got the DisplayPort cable. And we got the manual. Acer X34 Predator. The serial number should be the same one as on the box. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna box this up, and we gotta take photos and calibrate that one and be done. The monitor comes back with a different serial number than what's on the box. You scam me and you're going to jail. Alright, so this is the other monitor and how it looks, and once this is gone, you're just gonna have this whole desk. I actually didn't realize until this moment that in 4K that it actually crops more than 1080p, and 1080p was actually more zoomed out. So I just learned that today. Anyway, yeah, and then obviously that is gonna go here, and the mount is downstairs. What it looks like with the monitors gone, just the light, and obviously some messy that has to go in here. But yeah. Alright, that's the desk. Pole is removed. Move the glass of water, and the desk, mic arm, USB. Now I gotta get the stand and mount the 48CX on this. HDMI, DisplayPort, and the stand. Put it in the corner. Alright, this is what the desk looks like. Mount to make the TV compatible with the monitor arm, Ergotron HX. VESA monitor arm adapter, whatever. Screws, stuff needed, and then this is the HX arm box. Actually, it was in the other box. So wait. Installation instructions, brand new. Screws, toolkit needed. Once again, screws, toolkit needed. This is heavy. But yeah. It is what it is. Okay, I guess this is the arm. Doesn't go higher than literally just that. So yeah, doesn't really have that much adjustment to play. Oh, okay, there. Feeling like better quality, that's for sure. I have no idea how this will turn out. Hopefully it's good. It looks like it's in front. Alright, so that's what it looks like when it's mounted. My phone is on the charger right now, but I'm going to hook up the power cable and hook this up to my laptop just to turn it on and, show you something. Alright boys, I hope you enjoyed the setup of the LG48CX on an Ergotron HX arm, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.